Wait.
Huh?
Why does your isn't it pink?
No, I painted it orange.
Why did you change the pink to orange?
Well, my whole outfit is like an orange color, so duh. Oh, and I grew taller. A little bit.
Oh yeah, and you have like little like that. Is that your everyday outfit?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go make us some juice.
Oh, did you notice I added some furniture?
Oh, and your books, they're not pink anymore. And what happened? What did you do with the pink ones? Flower, what did you do with the pink ones?
Oh, I donated them.
Oh, so you donated everything pink in your room? Can I see your new orange room?
Yeah.
Basically everything's the same except it's all orange now.
Yeah.
Why do your lights look yellow? Also, do you want to watch My Hero Academia? Gosh, this TV is so annoying. We have to change it. Alright, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to pause it. Remember when Baldy tried to attack us by coming here? He kept
Yeah.
And then your old boss from Brookhaven came here. That was a few weeks ago, right? Okay, coming. We'll eat it in the living room so we can watch My Hero Academia.
Yeah, cooking up some garden salad right now. Oh, this is so good.
Who was that?
What?
There's someone at the door.
Oh, check it out. I'll pause the episode after I finish eating my burger.
What the?
Who is it?
Hi, Lonnie. Hi,
Pause.
Jade. What are you doing here?
Who?
This is my friend Jade. Flower.
Jade?
Yeah,
Jade?
she's my friend, and she came from Brookhaven a few months ago.
Ah.
Okay, well,
Hi, I'm
can you let me
Flower.
in, and we'll meet her, and I'll talk to her and see if we can get along.
Hi, I'm Flower. Where'd Jade go?
I'm right here.
Oh, hi, Jade.
So, what do you like?
What do you mean by like?
I mean, what do you like? What kind of stuff do you enjoy?
Oh, I like My Hero Academia. I like sometimes, fatty food and healthy food. And then I also like hanging out with Lonnie.
That's all the stuff I like, too. We're gonna be great friends.
Yeah. Bye, Lonnie.
Bye, where are you going?
Me and Jade are going to the fair.
Oh, and I can't come?
So I only have 2 tickets.
Okay, I'll see you in a little bit.
See you in a little bit.
She stole my friend. Now I'm gonna have to steal one of her friends. Whoa. Oh, McCall. It's Flower. Hey, Flower, what's up? No, it's not Flower, it's Lonnie. Oh. Hi, Lonnie. Hi, is this, Camilo? Yeah. Okay, great. Now, are you a good friend of Flower's? Yeah, sure, you can say that.
Hi, Camilo.
Hi, Mom.
Can you open the gate, please? I have to go make dinner.
That's not our house, though.
I know, JK. And I'm staring at this house.
Marigold's house? No.
Then why are you right by it? She's in Ohio. She will never love you.
Hello? Come to Bloxburg right now. To Bloxburg? Yes. Yes. Okay, why do we need to come there? It's about Flower. What did she get? What did she do this time? No, she was arrested. What? Flower was arrested? Yeah. Can you help bail her out? Okay, but do you think she'll be alright? No more questions.
I have an inch.
That's not my responsibility! Ugh. Come in.
So you must be mom.
Yeah, Lonnie. And you're Camilo.
Yes, I'm Camilo.
Do you want to hang out with me today?
Sure. Wait, didn't you say Flower was in jail?
When?
When you called me.
I don't remember that.
Maybe I'm hallucinating. Anyways. Where do you want to go?
Let's go to Bob's Burgers.
Okay. No. Lonnie, what are you doing with Camilo?
Oh, you stole Jade from me.
Oh my god. She wanted to go to the fair.
Yeah, but you could have invited me, which you didn't. You only got 2 tickets. You didn't even think about me. Ugh!
Planning on you and me going.
Never.
Lonnie. Well, I'm gonna go hang out with Jade, and here's this water to the face.
Didn't even get me.
Oh, really? Gonna throw this ice cream away. Oh, you're really trying to trigger me, aren't you?
Shut up.
She just told me to shut up. Me and Marigold never did this. You know what? I'm gonna throw this at her head.
Go ahead and try.
You know what? I'm gonna.
Well, not if I do it first. Stop! You two, both, stop! You guys are literally insane. What happened to you guys? You guys seemed to be best friends when I first walked into your house. What happened, huh?
She started this.
Well, you stole her from me.
She wanted to hang out, right, Jade?
Yeah, but I wasn't expecting you to, not invite her.
I only had 2 tickets. I told you that.
Well, fine. Both of you will just continue hanging out. I'm going with Camille, and I'm going home.
Whatever. Maybe I should take that advice from Marigold. But she's in Ohio. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. You know what? If she doesn't want to apologize to me, I will not apologize to you. miss a lot. I really miss all those good memories that we had. I wish we could just go back to those and forget all about this. But looks like she doesn't want to forget about this. So you know what? I'll just make her forget. Gonna take this water balloon, throw in some forget potion, and go into her room.
What do you want?
I want you to forget about this.
This is such a hard time thing to forget, Flower. You think I could ever forget about this?
My head.
Oh.